everybody, got a fun one for you guys today. I got this beautiful El Camino. Gary, here's my buddy here. He's standing off the side. He doesn't want to be on video. What am I looking at?
The 1964 Chevelle El Camino.
Nice.
Original car.
All original?
All original.
Wow, except for the paint?
Paint's original.
Paint's original too?
Yeah.
Wow, because I noticed you got a little custom going on there.
Yeah.
So you've this has not been restored, or?
It's not been restored.
Wow, so this is all original. How many miles?
58,000.
58,000, all original. Wow, what size engine you got?
283, 4-speed.
Nice. This is an amazing car, all original. Interior's original too?
Except for the door panels, they were customized when it was brand new.
That is gorgeous. So yeah, we're gonna go take a ride in this bad boy today. How many ponies you pushing?
I don't know.
That we don't know?
Whatever stock is.
As long as it drives, that's what matters, right? We don't care. All right, so we're gonna go for a ride and we'll show you what this bad boy looks like on the road. All right, so how long have you had this?
I've had this a couple of years. I got it from the original owner, which actually I worked for him right out of high school.
Oh, really? That's awesome.
And then after all these years, why, he decided it was time to move it on and let me have it.
That's nice of him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. This is my second time in an El Camino. A friend of mine had one a few years ago. He had, I don't remember what year it was. I think it was '78 maybe.
Yeah.
And yeah, his was not stock, not original, and I couldn't see past this because he had such a big engine in it.
Yeah.
So this thing is actually rides relatively nice. I love those itty bitty little windshield wipers. Small windshield versus my Corvette's got that big long laid out one. Wow, this thing's nice. So it's 4-speed on the floor?
Yeah.
Nice. Got reverse on the left. That's different.
That's pretty standard old GM.
Oh yeah, that's right, old GM. Because I'm used to, yeah, reverse being on the back right. But then again, I also drive newer GMs. And exotics also have it, yeah. Not bad, got a little bit of get up and go. I love the placement of the cigarette lighter right there. That's the greatest, right there on the dash. You don't really have much of a dash. Oh yeah, that's good. It's a quick way to get to 55. Yeah. Wow, this is a beautiful car. It rides so smooth.
It's a pretty good ride for an old car.
Well, just not even an old car. I mean, this just for a car. This is a good ride. I'm used to, riding around in a Corvette, so I can't say much. But even modern cars, my wife's car doesn't even ride this smooth. Mm-hmm. And she's got a 2000, I don't even know what, 13, 14, 17, I don't even know. But yeah, wow. Definitely has road presence as well. It drives so nice. So you said you've had this a couple years?
Yeah.
So the guy that had it originally bought it, he was the first owner?
He was the first owner.
Wow.
He's had it all these years.
Wow, and he just decided one day, I'm going to sell it.
He's older, couldn't get in it anymore.
Oh, gotcha.
And unfortunately, actually just passed away in the last couple of weeks.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. So there you got it, 1964 Chevelle El Camino. Beautiful car, all original, from the original owner. So this car has not been touched. How amazing is that? Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.